Lost your chats? Zangi Messenger recovery hacks. If you have accidentally lost your conversations on Zangi Private Messenger, don't worry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you retrieve your lost chats. Step 1. Check your chat history. Open the Zangi app. Launch the Zangi app on your device. Go to Chats. Tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through Conversations. Look through your chat list to see if the conversation appears there. Step 2. Use the search function. Access search. Tap the search icon, magnifying glass at the top of the chat list. Type the contact name. Enter the name of the person you had the conversation with. Review results. If the chat appears in the search results, tap on it to open and review the conversation. Step 3. Check archive chats. Navigate to Settings. Go to the app settings by tapping on the gear icon. Find Archive Chats. Look for an Archive Chats option. This may be listed under a different category depending on the app version. View Archive Conversations. Check if the lost conversation is archived. If so, you can restore it by unarchiving. Think of it like finding an old text from your ex, except this time, you actually want to bring it back. So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 4. Restore from backup. Check for backups. Verify if you have previously enabled cloud backups for your Zangi chats. Access Backup Settings. Go to Settings and find the Backup section. Restore backup. If a backup is available, follow the prompts to restore your chats. Step 5. Contact Zangi Support. Visit the Help Center. If the above steps do not work, go to the Zangi Support page or Help Center. Submit a support ticket. Describe your issue clearly and request assistance in recovering your lost conversations. Provide necessary information. Include your contact details and any relevant information to expedite the process. Step 6. Stay updated. Enable notifications. Ensure you have notifications enabled for the Zangi app to receive updates from support. Follow up. If you don't hear back in a few days, follow up on your support request for faster resolution. And there you have it, magical friends. Remember, every lost conversation is just a stepping stone to deeper connections and beautiful memories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more enchanting tips. Keep your spirits high and your chats flowing, because every message is a chance to spread positivity and love. As the wise Maya Angelou said, I have learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. So go ahead, reach out to those you cherish and let your words breathe magic in their lives. Until next time, stay vibrant and keep the magic alive. Subscribe and let's make more magic together.